This is a Mauthe Bim-Bam striking mantle clock, made in anywhere from the 30s to the 50s. This is in the newest edition. Came in from the Netherlands. I got it off of Etsy for 150 euros. It's about $170. Hold on. Let's look at the face, hear what it sounds like. Here's the movement, the back of the clock. It's a little out of beat right now because I have it off of the coins I'm using as levelers right now. Have it here on my refrigerator and microwave where the New Haven was when it was here. Let you see what it sounds like. Oddly shaped pendulum, as Mauthe often did on a lot of their movements from this time. They like that kind of diamond-shaped pendulum. Fairly clean movement when I got it. Only thing I had to do was glue on this foot right here. It came off when I was taking this movement out of its packaging. But yeah, that was all I had to do. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.